Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to get the old cursor back in Roblox. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So to get the old cursor back, you need to enter into the file location. So for that, please search Roblox and you may get the option like open file location. Just hit into it, and over there please right click the application and then click open file location. Over the folder you need to click the content folder, and then you need to enter into the texture folder. Over there please scroll down, you may get the cursor, arrow cursor and arrow fan cursor. So you can click and hold the control key and then select the cursor and copy it. Once you copy it, please enter into the cursor and keyboard mouse. Over here please click Ctrl V to paste the copied cursor. Please click replace the file location and then click continue. Yeah, now the new cursor is replaced with the old cursor. So on the game you will get the old cursor. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.